Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Now, stock markets the world over have been reeling from the shock of COVID-19. Now, in dollar terms, global investors have lost over $16 trillion as a result of fears surrounding the coronavirus. So, what are we seeing here on our local market? Well, things aren't much different. Investors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange are also feeling the pinch, and I'll tell you just how much we've lost since the first COVID-19 case was announced last Tuesday in a bit. But first, a look at what's been happening on the stock market since the start of the year. Now, we've been seeing where the market has been losing a lot of its value. In dollar terms, the market has been losing about $554 billion. That's the combined market, the JSE index, and the junior market index. Now, on the main market alone, that's gone down rather since the first COVID case last Tuesday by $261.1 billion. On the junior market, we're seeing a similar downturn, $11.6 billion, and the combined market since last week, since the first COVID case was announced, has gone down by $272.7 billion. Now, if you remember, since the start of the year, the market has declined by just about $554 billion. Now, if you're looking at this figure here, $272 billion, that means that the bulk of the decline has happened just between last week, Tuesday, when the announcement was made, and today. Now, let's take a look at how trading ended today. The JSE index lost 8,035 points, while the junior market index gained 31 points. Now, among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance, Lumber Depot, Main Event Entertainment Group, General Accident Insurance Company, and Honey Bun. Now, on the losing side were Everything Fresh, Supreme Ventures, CAC 2000, Scotia Group, and Fosrich. Now, in a world suffering from a pandemic cash crisis, cash is no longer king. A growing number of businesses and individuals worldwide have stopped using banknotes in fear that physical currency, handled by tens of thousands of people all over the world, useful life could be a vector for the spreading of the coronavirus. Now, public officials and health experts have said that the risk of transferring the virus person to person through the use of banknotes is small, but that has not stopped businesses from refusing to accept currency, and some countries from urging their citizens to stop using banknotes altogether. A scientific paper published early in the outbreak found that the virus can live on cardboard for up to 24 hours and up to 3 days on plastic and stainless steel. The researchers, however, did not test whether it can live on banknote paper. Public health experts have said that the presence of live virus particles on banknotes does not mean they are a health hazard. Virus particles are unlikely to return to the air once on a surface. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.50. The Canadian dollar, $94.69. The pound closed at $161.36, while the euro ended the day at $146.92. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.